how to get into a guy's head and how to get him obsessed with you. This trend is all over TikTok and I'm jumping in on it. Here's how you can get your man obsessed with you. Be independent. Look after yourself and don't rely on him. Have your own money. Be financially independent. Don't need him for anything. Don't rely on him for anything. They hate not being the providers. So provide for yourself. He'll be wondering what's wrong with him. And then he'll come running after you instead of you going running after him. Have your own money, your own car, your own house, your own friends, your own time to do whatever you want, whenever you want. And don't wait around for him to call. Make him feel that he's lucky to have you instead of the other way around. Don't always be available, be unavailable. And then he'll try and make appointments to spend time with you. So don't be too available, make yourself unavailable, and he'll be interested and try to make more time to be with you. So be independent and he'll come running.